Today, we are going to be talking about nerve cells, also known as neurons. Neurons are what allows signals to be transferred between the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. For example, neurons are what carry the signal that travels from my brain to my hand, telling it to open and close. They also work the opposite way. For instance, if I touch my hand, the signal travels from my hand back to my brain, allowing me to process the sensation of touch. Today we are going to be focusing on the neuron structure. Now the main part of the neuron is the cell body, or the soma. The soma houses the cell's nucleus, which stores genetic information, controls protein synthesis, and helps guide the axon helix, which generates impulses that travel through the axon. Now, branching off from the soma, we see dendrites. Dendrites receive and process information from other neurons. As we move down the cell body, we come across the axon. The axon is a fiber that extends from the cell body and transmits electrical impulses to other cells. Impulses travel from the cell body down this way towards the axon terminal. Now we can see here that the axon is wrapped in a myelin sheath, which is an insulating layer that forms around nerves, allowing impulses to travel quick and efficiently. If the myelin sheath is damaged, these impulses are slowed down, and information cannot be transmitted between different parts of the body. Now we see there are gaps between the myelin sheath. These are called nodes of Ronvier. These gaps allow ions to diffuse in and out of the neuron. They also allow electrical signals to jump from one node to another to increase the speed of conduct. Lastly, we see these little dots right here, Schwann cells. They help form the myelin sheath and provide structural support for the axon. At the end of the axon, we come across the axon terminal. The axon terminal transmits messages to other cells via neurotransmitters at the synapses. The synapses are down here. The synapses are junctions between neurons, allowing for transmission of information and processing of signals. I hope this video taught you something about the structure of neurons. Thank you.